Dr. Kore.
Thank you, Vice Chairman sir, giving me this opportunity, which is a very serious and very long time. The particular secretaries are waiting for this bill. I think Mental Health Act has come in force in 1987, but it was not much power to the treatment or doctors, both the side. After that National Conventional, the right of person with disability, which was rectified by the Government of India in 2007, made obligatory to the government to policies and law the country with the conventional to protect the rights of persons with mental illness. After that, I think the detailed bill is now my government is placing now. I'm really thankful to the government and I'm supporting this bill. The mental health care is the most neglected department in country. As per psychiatric conference held in my place, the more than 20 crores the people are mentally, large number of mentally is persons affected in this country. Out of that, it's more than 20%. Out of that, 2 crores are very serious. They required various treatment inside the hospital as well as outside the hospital. In fact, the bill which are coming, I don't want to detail about my colleagues have spoken very elaborately, and I think there are so many factors that mental health patients are particularly biologically factors or life experience such as a trauma or abuse, family history of mental health problems. Sometimes there are examples, even the lady who is a normal, after delivery, she may go under this treatment also. There are many examples. I wanted to see this is a typical problem, and the whole the facilities in country are a very, very limited place. Like in Bangalore, there is one hospital. There are so many patients throughout the India. The patient comes in Bangalore, and to take a treatment or take an appointment, it will take weeks to a year. This is the problem. And second thing, nowadays, the children are in this illness particularly. Absolutely. And there are so many children, they need a treatment inpatient as well as outpatient also. So compared this this illness, the psychiatric in this country, the number of psychiatric is very, very, very minimum. Even I don't know, the Honorable Minister can tell them. I think even some of the district, there is no psychiatric in district places. Forget about taluka place and small place. So it's a very difficult, and I think every government district, they have a department. But department which you can see or visit, there is no doctor, psychiatric doctor. If doctor is there, there is no absolutely facilities. It's worse than where after once that this patient entered in the hospital, he himself became double illness in mentally. This is the position of this country. So I'll request, why don't you start in every district separate mental department, detachment from the district hospital, because there is so many problems in district hospital. They have in medical college, they have one of the department. The department where the patient admit, there is a common place. This patient, sometimes they trouble to the general patient. Those general patient, they don't want to go to this because they pagal khana hai. This is a mental. So they don't want to go such hospitals. This is a big problem. So I request you give a thought about a separate mental hospital in maybe in that campus, in separate hospitals, small, like earlier you used to see the tuberculosis separate hospital in small place in district. That you can, like mental hospital, this thing, department, you can have in separate where it's not going to affect the other patient.
This is also one type of problem.
Yeah.
This is the problem. અહીંયા બી રાખવું પડે.
Uh,
First of all, I think our own house's perception of what is mental illness and disease needs to be understood. Keeping, unless they're absolutely manic, they're in a manic state, or mental disease is not a contagious disorder. And isolating them aggravates the condition. It is important that people remain in normal atmosphere, and it is supposedly the normal people who should be actually knowing how to conduct themselves with them. That is very important. Inko alag rakhne se, tuberculosis is a contagious disease. That is why we kept patients in isolation. But in this, you cannot afford to do that. You have to keep them integrated with normal society. And post-delivery, women post-delivery, it's known as post-pregnancy, postpartum depression. It is a temporary phase because of the hormones that change after delivery. That cannot be listed as a mental illness. It is not a mental illness. It is a normal cyclical change of a delivery. So we must understand that. I'm just pointing it out because no decision should be taken.
Please.
And sir, just a moment. While I'm on this, I would like to draw the minister's attention. It's not all these issues about doctors, lawyers, and what you need, sir, is someone who will actually execute the legal rights of these citizens. Because your mental hospitals are full of normal women who are thrown in there saying they're mentally challenged to deprive them of their properties. And a person who's actually challenged, who do they go to in this country to see that their rights are protected? If the parents of a retarded child, something happens to the parents, the child is on the road. That is what we need to look at. Thank
Okay.
you for yielding.
Please.
Thank you.
Please conclude.
Thank you, ma'am. I agree about a separate department in hospital, but I'm talking about there is all illness is not serious. Some of the patient at night they disturb the other patient, they shout, they violate, they actually they have to come out. They many with the 4 or 5 people to protect them. So that effect to the other patient, not that I'm this thing. There, I told you, there are more than 20 crores people are illness in skill this thing. But not all are very serious. Some of the serious where they have problem, and because of that problem also that people are not going to the district hospital also. Same time, I brought notice about the doctors. So there are so many private hospital NGOs has come out in district or smaller place in Karnataka also. But the place where they are not getting sufficient fund, because most of these patients are the background, they are very poor. And the private hospital, if they start a private hospital, is very difficult to maintain also. So I request Honorable Minister, NGOs, some of the NGOs are doing extremely good job. Some of the Matha, I mean Swamis are doing very good job in this. Why don't you government support them, give some aid also, where they can do this job. With this, I wanted to, some of the suggestions, which are, we noticed in particularly working of the, first thing I just, as Madam told, there is so many serious also, there is so many, even light patient, we can tell them they can, 1 week, 10 days, they require the treatment. But rehabilitation center is very, very much needed. Every district, until you have new rehabilitation center, this problem, this illness cannot be solved. So I'll request that every district must have a rehabilitation center. There are rehabilitation department in the separate, and where this patient can be treated. There are so many regulation has to introduce. In I don't know whole regulation has brought this bill. For example, I can tell you, the patient, a child now the new technology they required a shock treatment. Very shock treatment. I think sometimes they required anesthesia for giving that treatment. But as per law, the children cannot be given anesthesia. If I am correct, doctor, that is a major problem. So there is such a law, you have to incorporate this new bill. And there are patient, the treatment of kind of treatment received becoming ill, that is another big problem. So you have to go through this thing, and in bill you have made an arrangement of state committee, district committee, taluka committee. I welcome this committee. Only a request, don't put only non-professional people only. You must put psychiatric, it may be, he is working in private sector, he may be working in, because there are many places, there is no government hospitals where psychiatric doctors are there. I request at least minimum 2 people in that committee where they can guide the committee and for this statement. And now I told there are nursing home problems are there because there is no trained nurses, there is no trained helper as there, because that is a very big problem. And to work with this scenario, the people are not coming front. So I request at least government should train this department where they can work in mental illness with illness people. With this, sir, before I finish my word, I want one more, that is most important. Rehabilitation center is very, very important. Until you have rehabilitation center, it may be mentally totally retired or drug this thing or serious mental. So we need a very good rehabilitation center in every district. So with this few points, I support the bill, I welcome the bill, and thank you, sir.